Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how you can detect specific active site in a protein when a ligand is attached to it. So for that let's download a protein. Let's search for 6NCO and then download this protein in legacy PDB format and open it in Discover Studio. Okay, so here this is my downloaded protein. Let's change the background color, background white, and also mouse mode. Okay. Okay, so this is my protein, and here you can see that this is the ligand. Okay, this is my ligand. So click in here, expand this, um, just delete the water molecule, and here you can see the heteroatom. This is the ligand. Ligand is basically selected, and A is the protein. So for detecting the active site, just click on here active site. So here you can see that the selected residue is basically our active site, and to see the residues of this active site, you have to click on the protein, as this is the protein. So this is a protein chain. So here you can see that this specific residue is highlighted here. This specific residues are highlighted. So these are basically the active site. Okay, so you can also ensure from just deselect this control, select this. So here you can see that this part is not selected now, and then again just click on control and then uh, left click on mouse. So here you can see that this specific residue is basically selected. Okay, so this is how we can basically detect how uh, this specific ligand is bind with the specific residue of the protein, and also to detecting the specific coordinates of this active site. You can click on here. Just first of all click on receptor ligand interaction, then from this click on define and edit binding. So define and edit binding, and then click here that from PDB site records. So this option basically shows that when the ligand is binded with the protein. So click on here. So here you can see that this sphere. So just click on it, then right click on it, and then click on attributes of active site. So here you can see the attributes of this active site. You can just store this data, and then you can conduct your site specific docking. Okay.